Okay, guys, you're going to see something incredible! Sue!
I'm here, Sam. What's up?
Please, take a seat.
All right, why?
Magic is going to happen. Up? All right. There we go.
Sam, is everything all right?
Yes, perfect, Susie. Don't worry. Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you a trick. There.
Sam, why are you tickling me? What are you up to?
Oh, you ruined everything. I wanted to show a trick with swords. I saw it on TV.
Oh, Sam, you need special magic swords and a lot of practice to do it. But don't worry, we can remake this trick using a cardboard craft.
Wow, really? That's a cool idea. Let's go.
Hello, guys. Today you'll see an incredible trick with swords. To make it work, we need a cardboard piece like this, 9 by 20 centimeters. We're going to cut a magic sarcophagus.
Sue, sometimes it seems to me that you can make anything out of cardboard.
It may be true, Sammy. I love trying new cardboard crafts. Here's a piece we got.
Well, just what I need.
The upper and lower sides are 5 centimeters long. We'll need 2 pieces like this. What's this? Sam, you frightened me. Sam?
Oops, sorry.
Perfect. Now it's time to draw a little. Let's mark the spots where special holes will be located. Without them, our trick won't work.
Oh, Sue, don't worry. Everything will work perfectly with a trick master like me. No need for applause.
Sam, you better bring me the cutter you took away instead of boasting.
Okay, be right back.
So, here's our draft. Here we have sections 3 centimeters long and 5 centimeters here.
Look out!
Sam, be careful. Throwing a cutter is a bad idea.
Sorry.
Now let's make cuts in the spots we marked. This way. Great.
Do we need cuts here as well?
Yes, Sammy. To make the pieces equal, we should put 2 parts together this way and mark the spots. Here we go. It's a very easy way to avoid mistakes. Awesome. Now let's cut out the holes here just as we did before.
Interesting. How will this mega trick work? Guys, do you like tricks? If yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell not to miss new magic videos.
And done. Okay, now we're going to add another magic element, little sticks of this kind. Each one is 2 centimeters long, and we'll secure them here and here and here with glue.
Abracadabra! Ew, your stick doesn't work. It's not magical.
Sam, don't rush. Trust me, our trick won't work without these sticks.
We'll see. Guys, give a thumbs up to make these magic sticks work.
Done. To assemble the sarcophagus, we need 2 strips 5 centimeters wide each. On each strip, you should mark the fold line, this way. Now we take a cutter and make notches.
Sue, I have a question. Who will we put in this magical sarcophagus? I personally vote for the hamster.
No, Sam, you'll have an assistant, just like any real magician.
Wow! I'm going to get ready for the meeting.
Our strips are ready. It's time to glue the pieces together. Sam!
Yes, Sue, I'm here.
I bet you can't make magic swords for our trick.
Me? Can't? Oh, Sue, you shouldn't have said that. Beware.
Sam! I have everything ready. This is the sarcophagus we made. Just a few small pieces are missing. Let's glue them 1 centimeter away from the borders.
Wait, I'm almost finished.
Hurry up, Sam, I've got everything ready. Wow, Sam, you did it!
Not so fast, Susie. First, I want you to apologize for doubting my skills.
Okay, Sam, you're right. I'm sorry. You're the greatest sword-making master.
Yes, right. Don't forget it.
Guys, to make a sword like this, split a popsicle stick in 2 pieces and attach a piece of straw to the tip.
A magic straw.
Exactly, Sam. And now come here. I want you to meet your assistant. Meet Elisa.
Lisa. Nice to meet you. We're going to amaze people together.
Sammy, wait. It's time for the show. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the greatest magician in history, Slick Slime Sam.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you an incredible trick. I'm going to plunge the swords into this magic sarcophagus with my beautiful assistant Elisa inside. Please, madame, I assure you that she will be safe and sound. Well, let's begin. This was unbelievable! Time to open our sarcophagus. Ta-da! Lisa, you're stunning!
Bravo, Sam, bravo!
Dear viewers, I hope you liked my trick. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell not to miss new cool videos. See ya!
Psst! Guys, to make Sam pay for frightening me today, I'll reveal his secret. The secret is that first you should put the sword into the upper left hole so that Elisa turns. Then you can easily insert all the remaining swords. Also, later you should remove the left sword last, so Elisa is back in her place.
So, have you seen my swimming trunks? Hey, wait a minute, what's going on?
Nothing. Bye, guys.
Did you reveal my secret? How could you, Sue? Now no one will believe I'm